Hi friends, in this video I would be showing the heating element or heating plate used in this HealthSense Steamer. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. See, this is a heating mechanism used in this steamer, and this is a heating element, and this is a thermal switch which detects overheating. If it detects overheating, it will automatically turn off this steamer. So let me remove this thermal switch. So this is a thermal plate or heating element. We can remove this heating element. See, if this steamer is not heating, then probably you have to replace this heating element. You can purchase this heating element from Amazon. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.